In this section, I will show you how to check if your Discord account was affected by the data breach that occurred after a third-party support agent got hacked. This breach exposed some user email addresses, messages and attachments sent to Discord support. The first thing you need to do is to check your email inbox for a notification from Discord. Discord has sent a letter to all the users whose data may have been exposed in the breach, informing them of the incident and advising them to be vigilant for any suspicious activity. If you received this letter, it means your account was affected by the breach. The second thing you need to do is to change your password and enable two-factor authentication on your Discord account. This will help you secure your account and prevent any unauthorized access. To change your password, go to User Settings, My Account, Edit, Change Password. To enable two-factor authentication, go to User Settings, My Account, Enable Two-Factor Auth. The third thing you need to do is to review your account activity and report any suspicious or fraudulent transactions or messages. You can check your account activity by going to User Settings, Activity. If you notice any unusual activity, such as login attempts from unknown devices or locations, or messages sent or received from unknown users, you should report it to Discord support immediately. The fourth thing you need to do is to be careful of any phishing emails or messages that may try to trick you into revealing your personal or financial information. Phishing is a common technique used by cybercriminals to steal your data by pretending to be someone else, such as Discord or a trusted contact. Some signs of phishing are asking for your password, credit card number, or other sensitive information, using poor grammar or spelling, creating a sense of urgency or fear, or using a fake or spoofed email address or domain name. To avoid falling victim to phishing, you should always verify the sender's identity and the authenticity of the message before clicking on any links or attachments. You should also never share your password or other sensitive information with anyone online, even if they claim to be from Discord or a trusted contact. If you receive a suspicious email or message that claims to be from Discord, you should report it to Abuse@Discord. By following these steps, you can check if your Discord account was affected by the data breach and take appropriate measures to protect yourself and your data. Remember, Discord will never ask for your password or other sensitive information via email or message, so always be cautious and vigilant when communicating online. One of the most important steps you can take to protect your Discord account after a massive data breach is to change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Here's how to do it. To change your password, open Discord and click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the User Settings menu. On the left side, click on My Account. Then, click on Edit next to your current password. Enter your old password and a new one that is strong and unique. Click on Save Changes to confirm. To enable two-factor authentication, go back to the User Settings menu and click on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down to the Security section and click on Enable Two-Factor Auth. You will need to enter your password again and then scan a QR code with an authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. The app will generate a 6-digit code that you need to enter on Discord to verify your identity. You can also choose to receive backup codes via email or SMS in case you lose access to your phone. Click on Activate to finish. By changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication, you can make your Discord account more secure and prevent unauthorized access. Remember to use different passwords for different accounts and never share them with anyone. Stay safe and enjoy using Discord.